Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabila Syaputri. I will presentation about materi perubahan dan pengembangan organisasi, diagnosis and feedback organizational change. Definition: diagnosis and feedback in organizational change refer to process systematically identifying the current state problems and opportunities with organizational diagnosis and then communicating findings and insight back to relevant stakeholders feedback to support informed decision making and good effective change intervention. Diagnosis and feedback are essential competence in the early stage of the organizational change process, OCP. Diagnosis refers to systematic assessment of an organizational current condition, including its internal process, external environment, and performance challenge through techniques such as interview, survey, observation, and data analytic. Organizational diagnosis helps identify the root cause of problem, area of efficiency, and opportunities for improvement. The result of this assessment are then communicated through feedback, which involves sharing findings with relevant. It means transparent but also served to serve a dialogue carry the purpose of change and building organizational commitment. In the Burkes PPO framework, diagnosis and feedback are most closely linked to the impact space interviewing. The need for change analysis, organizational recurrent diagnosis, and open feedback. Change influence risks being researched with actual needs, potential resulting in research of varieties. The joint diagnosis and feedback provide the basic foundation for data-driven strategic and participant change efforts. The role of diagnosis and feedback in the planned process of organizational change. In the context of the planned process of organizational change, diagnosis and feedback play a critical role in ensuring that change efforts are activities relevant and suitable. Diagnosis refers to the systematic collection and analysis of data to understand the current stage of organizational identify problems and uncover opportunities for improvement. Feedback, on the hand, the person sharing diagnosis finding with stakeholders to validate insight and encourage the understanding together. This is elements from the foundation for information decision making, management of change, strategic and ongoing learn to without current diagnosis and open feedback could be or risks being measured the population of outcomes from diagnosis and feedback ranges very stop essential mechanic integrated support and refine the entry change process. The role of diagnosis and feedback in driving organizational change. In the context of organizational change and development, in the context of organizational change and development, diagnosis and feedback function and as a starting point of effective transformation. Diagnosis is not merely about identifying problems, but also uncovering and transparent structural the cultural dynamic within organizational. In private data-driven foundation for planning, the communication of diagnosis finding, feedback. On the other hand, the communication of diagnosis finding to relevant participants in the early strategy, elegant expression and motivation as in based on real organization need without proper diagnosis and feedback chain effort risks being misquoted the same like about this teacher. Short-lived. This is conclusion. In conclusion, diagnosis and feedback are not problem step in organizational change and development. They are critical. They are critical mechanics that describe the reason deep and success of any transformation in offensive diagnosis and stable organizational to gain competitive process and performance labor by systematic identically expressing arrange the basic decision making and ensuring change efforts are not the basic assumptions or surface level some function, but also create the irrelevant organizational data. Feedback as the second when the phrase effectively feedback employs individual and team to take ownership of the issue and become active participants in the design and improving solution. Furthermore, feedback loops create a dynamic environmental to continuous learning and adjustment, which is practiced in today's fast-changing business landscape. Together, diagnosis and feedback permit and culture of knowledge, prevention, collaboration, and accountability. They help align the organizational vision with current reality, ensuring that change intervention are realistic targets and suitable without. There are two elements: organizational change, run the risks of being raised, results, and ultimately infects. Therefore, leader and change ignorance must prioritize accurate diagnosis and transparent feedback to drive meaningful and lasting development within their organization. Thank you for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.